Hey guys, welcome to Sam 610. So in today's video, I want to show you how you can get this YouTube studio set up for $3. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I wanted to show you really quick video on how to get this set up for only $3, guys. It's very simple. As you guys may notice, my backdrop looks different, and I had mentioned in a previous video that I was working on getting my YouTube studio cleaned up, and I am almost there, guys. So what you're looking at right now, believe it or not, is a plastic white tablecloth, a rectangle one, which is ginormous, and I got this from the Dollar Tree for $1, guys. Yes, believe it or not, this is $1. Right behind me I have a cinder block wall, so you might be able to see through that just a little bit, but you know what, no big deal. And as you guys can see right here, I got a candle for $1, and I also got the jar for $1 also, just to give it a little bit of a background. Try to do something different, give a little bit of different vibe in the video, so when I'm doing a talking head video, or a talking headshot video, if you will, you'll see this setup. It kind of looks nice. It's, you know, giving off, you know, something a little bit different. And I'm just going to show you guys what it's going to look like when you zoom out, because I am filming in my basement, believe it or not, but you guys are not going to be able to tell until I change the focus on the lens. So let's do that real quick, guys. Alright, so as you guys can see, I am zoomed all the way out, guys, and you can see when I cropped the zoom in, you weren't able to see any of this. So this is what it looks like when you're not cropped in on me, and you can see how bad it looks right now. So I'm just going to go ahead and focus that back in just so it looks better. So there you have it, guys. This is what it looks like when you're zoomed in on my lens. And I actually did pick up a cheap aperture light on Amazon, and I'm able to change the background color to like pink, green, red, whatever color you want to, you know, change it to, and that's what gives this, you know, nice background. And let me see if I can show that to you guys real quick. So here's the light. Sorry if I'm blinding you guys. You're probably not going to be able to see it, you know, really that good, but you guys get the point. So for $3, you know, from the Dollar Tree, you're going to be able to get this type of setup. You know, your setup might even look better than mine if you have a white wall, or if you have a blue wall, or something different than what I have on my cinder block wall. But I wanted to do something a little bit different just to show you guys that you're not going to need a lot of money to get a setup like this. Like I said, $3 at the Dollar Tree. The cloth, plastic, tablecloth, rectangle again, the jar and the candle, you know, $1 each, guys. So $3 and some odd cents, guys, you know, for this really cool setup, and I'm digging it, guys. Of course, I'm gonna have to take it down and put it back up every time I want to shoot, because there is wires and outlet that this is covering, and I don't want to cause any, you know, issues when I'm not using it. So I'll just take it back down, put it back up. I'm actually holding it up right now, guys, with some masking tape on each side, and I didn't even worry about the bottom of it, because you really can't, you're not going to see the bottom. You're not going to be able to see under my desk, and if you did see it underneath my desk, guys, you guys would probably kill me in the comments, because my wire management, guys, is bad. You know, I have stuff zip tied, but it's not the best, and I'm sure you guys would definitely grill me in the comments on how my wire management is, guys. You guys would get a kick out of that. So this is where I'm going to leave this video, guys. I just wanted to show you guys, you know, my studio upgrade, my $3 upgrade. So if you guys liked the video, if you found any value, guys, please give me a thumbs up. And as always, guys, later.